my gift from God. I was so alone in the deepest place. Your black fur, it was my only protection, especially the dangers, the mental dirt. I lay there on the sofa, depressed and dead, but your brown eyes, they took the dust. You were not a pet, you were my gifted angel. You saved me when my world hung on the hangel. I know no dog, no man can ever hold water for you. You were more than a dog, you were my sign of life. What now? The night is dark, my home is empty. This pain, it sits so deep, it eats through me hard. Lily, Lily, my black heart is just crying for you. You are gone, gone by God, and I'm still standing here. This is torture, this absence, this damn pain. But I know you're happy up there, it calms my sick heart. You are the love of my life, my savior in need. My reunion is coming. Until then, I'm in soul death. I thank God for sending you. You are the miracle, your manner, your eyes, everything was missing and standing for hours. But I had to accept it. You're in a better place, even though my heart is broken. My angel is gone. Lily, Lily, my black heart is just crying for you. You are gone, gone by God, and I'm still standing here. This is torture, this absence, this damn pain. But I know you're happy up there, it calms my sick heart. You are the love of my life, my savior in need. My reunion is coming. Until then, I'm in soul death. Lily, my gift. See you again. See you.